What's up, Trail Boss Nation? I wanted to just do a really quick video on how I got this powered sub and add an amp kit on my 2019 Trail Boss with the Bose system. It didn't really make a difference on the system, but just let you know how I did this. Kind of work our way backwards. This is the amp, so you got power and ground. I ground out underneath the jack mount. I left the jack in place. I haven't really mounted this, so it's not finished, but ran this underneath the sill here, and then all the way throughout here. Let me turn this down so you can hear. All right, and so we've got power, remote, and RCA. What I did with RCA was I did a line out converter with T-taps. I used these yellow cables. I used the yellow and black, yellow and gray T-tap. Use this little line output converter. You can use whichever one you want to use. And then for a remote wire, I tapped into this. This is ignition fuse. I'm not sure which one. I saw that online. So I've just used that same one. Seemed to work okay, but I'm probably going to switch that to an accessory fuse. Anyway, so ran all that, was fine. I'll show you on the other side where I came through the firewall. If you look at right here, I tied in. I don't have a lot of room, so I just kind of stuck my fuse up there. But if you look at on the firewall right there, see where it's coming through that blue cable? Right there, you can see, you can poke a hole. It's like almost like a little nipple. I cut a slit in it and you just push it through and it goes right through. This probably took me maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours max to do the install. It's pretty easy. All right, just show you. So from here, I ran the remote control for the sub up and around, and then I actually just tucked it in up under here. You can kind of just take it and push it in, and then ran it and mounted it down here. Super easy to access, clean install, pretty happy with it. Rock on, really sounds great. Really feels a cab, so.